What's up, guys? This is Jay, your healthy accountant, helping you to account for your life in all areas. So today we are talking about the healthy business, the 3 steps so that you can create your own healthy business. All right, so what are these principles? Guys, here's the first thing you got to do in creating a healthy business. You got to be willing to change. Man, I'm gonna tell you, change is big, man. Change is kind of hard, and change requires you to step up into a new mindset. I was listening to my man Uncle G. You can see his poster behind me, Grant Cardone, and he was sharing his principle of change. He was in his office, and what he did was he says, "Look, here's a wall. On this wall, it's a perfectly beautiful wall. You know, the wall is beautiful, but you know what? We want a different wall. We want to expand the office. We want to change the office. So we got to tear down the wall." He had a crowbar and he had a sludge hammer, and boom, 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 he starts tearing down this wall. Now, here's the thing, just because you have to change doesn't mean something is really broken. What it means is you want something different, so you're going to have to bring in something new. So you might have to get rid of something old. So, guys, the first thing you want to do is change. But here's the thing, what would you need to change? You might need a new skill. You may need a new skill in business because business, as I was just talking to my son, because he's, "Dad, I want to start a business." I asked him, "Do you know what a business is?" He's giving me all sorts of answers, and he didn't understand what a business is. And so I said, "Man, we're going to work through this definition because if you don't understand what a business is, then there's no way it's going to work. You got to solve a problem for somebody." So, guys, healthy business starts with change and adding in. You got to add in some skills. And so we're going to talk about the 2 skills that you got to have. So, but the second principle is concentration. So if you concentrate, if you concentrate on something, if you keep your eye on something, then that means you'll probably get it done or do it. Now, what would you have to do inside of a healthy business? You would need to market. Marketing is, what is marketing? What is advertising? Because they're both similar. Marketing is the message. Marketing is like what you're known for, like the healthy accountant is known for. The healthy business, healthy finances, healthy life. That's what the healthy accountant is all about. But the healthy accountant didn't start at the healthy business. The healthy accountant started at just health. And I wanted to know everything about health. I wanted to do everything about health, and that's what I put my time into. So I had to learn new skills. Remember that from change. Had to learn new skills. And one of these skills was marketing. I had to learn how to do videos, learn how to send out emails. I had to learn how to, really follow up with people. I had to learn how to get on the call and pretty much talk to people about their problem and then offer them a solution. So, guys, so that second principle of concentration is going to be critical for you. So don't forget, concentrate on what you want, but then you're going to have to market that idea. So the third step is going to be clarity. You have to have clarity in what you're doing. You got to know who you're going to serve. You got to know what problem you're going to help them with. And then you got to know what solution you're going to offer them. It's kind of like the healthy business model. If you don't understand how to change, then I can probably help. If you don't understand how to concentrate, then I can probably help. If you don't understand what to focus on and how to have clarity, then I can probably help you do that in your business because you're going to need leads and you're going to need to make sales, which is a part of the clarity. If you don't have clarity, then you won't get sales. So you got to get sales, right? That's the purpose of your business, to sell what you have, which is the solution to your potential customer, which has the problem. Let's recap. Change. You've got to change what you are currently doing. Doesn't mean it's broken, just means you need to upgrade some skills. So get some new skills. And when you are concentrating, step number 2, you would you'll probably be able to concentrate on your message, the idea that you want to put into marketplace. My idea is all about the healthy life, the healthy business, the healthy finances. You gotta put this idea in the marketplace. And then thirdly, you've got to have clarity of who you want to serve, what problem you want to help them with, and then the solution you're going to offer them, which leads to a sale. So if you don't have these things, then you probably won't have a healthy business. So, guys, I hope you got a lot of value out of this quick video. If you did, let me know. And look, if you're having challenges in your own business and you want to create a healthy business, don't forget to reach out. Look, you can shoot us an email. If you're watching this video on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, definitely reach out. We'd love to take care of you and help you out to grow your healthy business. All right, guys, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.